All right, so we're at the new shop right now, and we're going to call the winner of the last giveaway. We got the winner's name about a week ago, and he was contacted by the law firm. The law firm said that we needed to text him because his job doesn't allow him to talk on the phone all the time. So we've been kind of going back and forth to get a hold of each other. However, obviously he knows he won because the law firm got with him, and we have been texting him back and forth. I already know what the guys in the shop don't know. And the reason I'm doing this at the shop here and not at the shop now is because I don't want them to know what Steve's building, and I'm not going to even post that in this video, but we are going to call Steve, and Steve has picked the dream build. So pretty excited about that. As you guys know, this is something I really, really wanted to do, and something I really believe in, and I think can be really big, and we can make a lot of dreams come true. So let's give Steve a call, see what he's doing. Steve.
Yes.
Hey, it's Cameron Johnson. How are you?
Hey, I'm pretty good. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm just doing a little video because everybody wanted to know who won the giveaway and what they're building, and everyone's been anxious, so we figured we'd give you a call.
Sounds good.
So I know we've been talking a little bit, so I know you picked the dream build, and I'm really excited for it.
Yeah, you and me both. It's been a long time for me trying to get this car done, so now it might actually happen. So
yeah, super, super excited. Steve has a really good plan for what he wants to do and a vision, and I think it's going to be really awesome. And we're not even going to tell him right now, Steve. We're going to talk about this later, but right now we just wanted to give you a call and say congratulations. We're going to start getting stuff together and make this happen.
all right, sounds good. I can't wait.
What did you get during the giveaway, if you don't mind me asking?
Well, initially, when you announced the truck, I was like super excited about the F-150. So I said, well, I'll buy a shirt. So I got the American-made shirt. And then then when you announced that you were doing the race car deal, I was like, I better get in again. So I ordered another shirt. So I got to need more money for race car parts, but I guess I don't really need them now. So,
Awesome.
you're going to help me out. So
Man, that is so cool. I am really excited, and the build you talked about is going to be super exciting, and it's really cool that somebody can buy 2 T-shirts, and now you're getting basically $100,000 worth of work and parts to your car.
yeah, that's awesome. I don't even know how to thank you, honestly.
Hey, I thank you for the support. All the people that bought merch is the only way we can do this, and hopefully we can keep doing it.
Yeah, sounds good.
Awesome. Well,
Really glad it's you guys that are doing it,
yeah, we're excited. It really helps that, this is we kind of had this plan a year ago when we stopped doing cars and we just couldn't say anything. And now that we finally have the time to do it, it's something really exciting that all the guys are excited about, and I think it'll be cool.
Yeah,
So
I can't wait.
awesome. I'm not going to tell you guys what he's building, but it is super cool. And I think it actually ended up being something that is going to work out really well for us, something that's kind of in our ballpark. I'll give you a little hint. It's already a little bit of a race car, but it's something that we can put our touches on and change this thing drastically, which would be cool because we'll have a before and an after, and you'll see kind of why we do what we do, and hopefully can make Steve's dream really come true. Maybe we'll do this again, and it can be you next time. Hey, everyone, welcome back to CJRaceCars YouTube channel, and as you can tell, we have Eagle. This car hasn't been out in a while. There's some stuff we got to address on this car, and you're going to see that in this video. If you don't already know, it got damaged at World Cup, which was the last big race. We kind of patched it back together, and what we have to do in the next few days is assess the damage, see how bad it actually is, and repair that damage. So that's the plan for this week. Hopefully it's not too bad. I do know the door was pretty rough. We had some trackside repairs. Those are not always the best repairs. So we need to make those good repairs like we would do as if it was brand new. And then we got to take the car to paint and get our K to fix the door if there's any other issues. I think it did touch the quarter panel. I'm pretty sure it's just the clear part of it as far as like the wrap they put on it. So I think that's just PPF. I don't think that got in the paint. But if it did, we're going to have that fixed also. You can tell it's a little dusty, and we're going to start getting cranking on it ASAP. And I can't wait to show you guys. Building a new shop means new tools, and luckily, Whatnot makes it easy. I can even buy them when I'm on the road. Today's video sponsor is Whatnot, which is the #1 live stream shopping app where you can buy, sell, and auction off all kinds of stuff live. They have a ton of categories too. Everything from trading cards and collectibles to tools, fashion, and sports items. There's seriously something for everybody. What I like is it's not just scrolling through listings. You can jump into live shows and watch the deals happen in real time and grab something right there in the app. So I hopped on Whatnot myself and grabbed an item live. And honestly, that's the fun part. You never know what deal you're about to catch, and honestly, it feels way more interactive than normal online shopping. Now here's the best part. Use my link to get $15 off your first purchase anywhere on the app. Just scan a QR code on the screen or use a link in the description below. So say you find something for $30 or $40. That $15 credit definitely makes it easier to justify. And on top of that, if you follow me on Whatnot, you'll be entered to win $500 in Whatnot credit, which could give you a ton of awesome stuff depending on what you're into. So don't wait, hit my link below. Claim your $15 off and follow me on Whatnot to get entered for the $500 giveaway.
Yep. So that's gonna be about there.
Okay.
This is wider than this. I'm aware of that.
Barely.
This is wider than this.
Yep.
So I'm gonna tack that in. And yeah.
Fine. It looks good. I think that looks good.
Okay.
Looks like the other side.
Yeah.
You're gonna trim that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I knew this one was good. I ended up having to remake this one.
That's fine. It had to go back.
Well, yeah. Well, I started looking at it and I'm like, yeah, it's gonna be dumb.
I'm not gonna even say.
No, you told me so. You told me so.
That's all right. It looks good.
It happens, you know?
No, it looks good. We literally ordered this stuff 2 days ago. That's the grinders.
What is it?
The grinders that I ordered 2 days ago. And the bits. Literally everything.
Hey. Oh, no, this is cutoff.
Yeah,
grinders and cutoff.
No, cutoff.
It's different.
It's a cutoff. Well, see what happens is if you use it like this, that's a grinder. If you do it like this, it's a cutoff wheel. Multi-tool. That's how I used it, because when I started, I didn't have money for both.
Because you was a
so
helper?
I had a cutoff wheel and I did like this.
You was the helper.
No, I don't think I was a helper. I was just poor. That's different. I was poor, so I had to grind. Hey, I never had a belt sander. I had a chop saw, and then you keep it going, and you grind a tube on the side of the chop saw. But
He couldn't afford to grind this stuff, so he just used a cutoff wheel for everything.
Yeah, I pretty much. I really did. This is a true story.
That is slick.
Look at this. And I got bits too, just in case. I can't believe they came this fast. Taylor somehow has come up with this budget for our new shop. Apparently we need all new tools for the new shop. Not just the tools we need, but the tools we have times 2, and then new tools also on top of that, right?
Yeah.
He's come up with it. I'm not sure how it works yet. But
All of it.
I'm not very good at anything other than metal fabrication. I stay away from
No, I'm with you.
A carpentry,
I'm with you. I don't.
tile, all the above. I stick to metal.
I don't know how much these cost,
What about cabinets?
It's a sore subject. No.
but that's what I was about to say.
Inside joke.
There's your
Right.
thing for your latch.
Is this tacked in or is it not tacked down there yet?
No, that's tacked.
Can you take this off or no?
Well, I have that putting pressure so
Okay.
that this is held in the correct spot.
All right, maybe tack that.
Yeah.
Pull this off. Put the window on there. Because the window has that in it.
Yeah.
And just make sure it doesn't get it.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Before you weld it out.
Because I'm not tacked on the pad down here. Because
Yeah.
I'm drawing a circle and putting lines on it because I don't want to tack it on the door.
Correct. Because this door is good.
Yeah, this
we don't
door-
want to
yeah.
paint 2 doors.
Right.
Just one.
Yeah. Although it would just be the flat black on the inside, I still don't.
I say we try to. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
Let's paint no more than we have to.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. I would just do that. Tack it, however you want to do it. Put it back in there without this, and then make sure the window where it goes clears that.
Oh yeah.
And then I'm fine with that.
Okay.
That looks good.
Okay.
Looks really good. that go in more, or is that where that goes?
No, there's needs some tweak when you, yeah.
Okay. Well, probably wait till we get a window.
Yeah, exactly.
Leak into it. Looks really good.
Yeah. Probably pull out here,
Yeah.
suck that in.
Right.
Yeah.
Yep. I like it. Perfect. Now you just need to add these powder coater. So they look good and they don't rust.
Sorry?
For the new owner.
Yeah.
I like it.
That's not us.
No, unfortunately.
It's not us.
The way my bank account works, this isn't going to be mine. Unless Tara loans me a bunch of money.
I don't have it.
Don't be cheap.
I had an idea.
Does it involve something illegal to get money to buy Eagle? Oh, okay. Tell me. What you got?
We got 4 machines.
Uh-huh.
We only need 2.
We'd still be about 3/4 of the way short.
25% downs, not bad.
I'd say we could sell my wife's box truck, but that's not going to get us there either. She already didn't get the Bronco. I think we're just going to let this one go to
She'd
somebody else.
probably prefer you to sell the
We're going to have to
box
watch this one from a distance.
truck after that
You're probably.
debacle
Probably.
with the yeah.
You're probably not wrong. I know those are normal people-sized meta glasses.
Well, why
but
you
they
think
look
they're
gigantic.
They look a
on
little
you,
big, huh? I know.
Are they because they're from Timo, or are they just because your head's small? Put them glasses on real quick, Taylor. You'll break the whole leg up the side. Put them on.
Watch out. Let me get this air hose out.
You put them on Isaiah, it looks like his teeth are looking through him. They go down all the way to your mustache. Hey, you know Josh successfully drove the truck all day today. He went to go get an oil change. He was gone 4 hours. Look at him like he's
Throw those water bottles out. He got brakes too?
yeah, I think that's why he was gone for 4 hours. He loved it. He was on Whatnot app the whole time he was up there, I guarantee it. But he probably bought pots and pans. All right, well, we got all the fabrication and repairs done on Eagle that we can do here, at least until it comes back. We will have to final fit the windows because there may be some body work to the top of the door. So we didn't 100% complete that, but it's off to RK. We got a 7-hour ride ahead of us. We're gonna get this thing there hopefully about noon tomorrow and turn around and come straight back. And I don't think RK will have it long, and you guys will see Eagle again. Look how dusty this thing was. Look at this. This is, I haven't cleaned the front end off yet, but look at that.
Is that sitting at his place?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Hasn't, I don't think it's gone anywhere since November.
They probably didn't service there enough to roll it out of the truck.
No, I take that back. He tested it one time after, I think. He did. Yeah, right after, I think. So the only other thing is,
You can't paint. I mean, you can't blend it hardly anywhere. I mean, the problem. I don't know. He gets tricky. He making do something. Let's see. He making.
yeah, because I don't
He
obviously.
making. No, we're not getting into this.
So
But you can't touch it up with touch-up paint because it's got that flake in it, and then it'll always have like an orange spot in it. You know.
that's what happened. Yeah, that's what happened when they tried to do it before. So
It's a
basically,
beautiful color, but it's just
I love the
a
color.
nightmare to do anything to.
So
Like Jose's got 2 of them this color. You know, that's where we got it from. Jose's 69, and then he's got a brand new one in there. It's this color too.
oh, that is the same
Yeah.
color. So I don't know. What do you think? I mean, obviously paint the whole door, probably, right? Or
Well,
can you just?
he'll probably try to blend it that way. Anytime you panel paint stuff, it's hard to
match it in there.
perfect. Yeah,
So you would paint like this and then just
he's just don't ask me. He's the magician, not me.
yeah. This is way out of my knowing how to do stuff. So
He's the magician.
whatever you have to do to make it look right is all that matters.
I like how it's kind of the modern looking 69 too. You know,
Yeah,
that's what everybody likes about it.
yeah, yeah. I think it came out good. I definitely understand his reason for getting rid of it. He's got a lot of other stuff going on. Plus, I wouldn't want to go 260 miles an hour. That's not anything I would want to do. So I do understand that. We blew the car off a little bit.
The front end.
No, we blew. This thing looked like the front end.
Oh yeah, it was bad.
Is that how you blew it off?
Yeah. All right, well, Eagle is at RK, and most of you guys probably followed the build, but he's the one who originally did all the body work, a lot of the carbon work, modifications, the wheel well openings, a ton of stuff, and painted it, plus fixed the quarter panels when we had to stretch them for the 315.
Yeah.
So he's done a lot of stuff on it. It's back again. It's back again. This is be
I
the.
think Cletus wants a 7/16 back right here.
It won't come off.
Okay, it's a
No, that's a permanent
it's
piece.
a permanent fixture.
That's
I got you.
That's one where
it goes to the new owner too. It's a bonus.
yeah, that's free.
Yeah, it's free.
That one's extra.
Free 99.
Free on that one there. I think that's it. And then obviously the inside of the door, we changed the window frame, so some of the hole, there's little tiny holes.
Just paint hot rod black, right?
Yes, the inside's just hot rod black.
Oh, you want all this stuff done fixed too on this one?
Yeah, where the holes change.
Well, which holes are you using?
I'll send you a picture.
Oh boy.
I'll send you a picture of where the holes we're using. No, I know which ones they are. There's only 3 to 6 of them. If I had an extra $424,000, I could put the $1,000 I do have with it, and I'd probably buy this. But I don't. So I think that's gonna do it. We're gonna drop it off here. We'll be picking it up in 6 to 8 weeks whenever Ryan's done with it. No, I'm just kidding. No, just kidding. we fit in here whenever it takes is what it takes. It's we weren't, you know, can't rush perfection. So
That's not
whenever it's
bad.
done, we'll be back to get it, and we will make sure we show you guys. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Also, if you don't already know, Tom Bailey is doing a giveaway on a Cyclone, which is a truck I'd love to have someday, and I can't get entered. But you can get entered. It's a CJRC / Signa Mag collaboration titanium keychain that we made for them and got them over to those guys. So if you want to get into that giveaway, like I wish I could, go to signamag.com, get one of his limited edition titanium keychains that we collabed on. Make sure you support them.